What's up, everybody? I got a second package come in yesterday. I know it's the next day. I had a long day yesterday. I worked from 1 o'clock in the afternoon until 9:30 at night, and I don't get home till 10 o'clock at night. So the first video I did yesterday, I'm processing it right now. It'll be released here shortly, probably in about the next hour or so. In the meantime, I've got the second package that came in. This one came in yesterday from Keen Ramps. This one's a big boy. So I'm gonna have to set him in the background back here so I can open it. So let's see, let's get this knife out here. All right, Corey. We got Corey Keen up next. This is Keen Ramps. Corey, I love your content. I just started following you. You're a heck of a skater, and I love what you do for the community. You do a lot. I've been watching a lot of your events that you've been setting up and everything for, like Go Skate Day and everything. You guys do some really amazing work. Blown away by it. So listen, I'm not going to release this video so that everybody can see it. The event that we're having on August 15th, I'm doing something a little special. The park that we're going to be having the event at, they need some work done to the park. So we are secretly going to, at the end of the event, give all the proceeds, everything that we make off of the event, to the facility, the indoor skate park. So all of the equipment that I've received from Keen Ramps, plus the fun box that I've got, we're going to donate that also to GMP Indoor Skate Park here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And I say this because you guys need to know what your money is going to go to. Your money is going into the community in an indirect way. We're going to fix this place up for these kids so they have a safe space to skate. The indoor park is fine. The outdoor park needs to work. We're going to try to set up with a concrete contractor to come in and take care of, redo the outdoor park that they have. I'm going to try to get some videos, some pictures so you guys can see what I'm talking about in the future, in the next week or so before the event. So keep your eye out for that. I'm going to try not to tag them in anything, but please, guys, do not let this get out. We do not want them to find out. This is going to be a huge surprise for them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this box unboxed right here from Keen. Again, Corey Keen, we appreciate you. As you just heard, I'm going to put this to good use. Oh, maybe there's some staples on the end of this box. Yes, there is. Come on. All right, guys, I'm setting this on the floor. This is getting serious now. Come on, let's go. Hey, you guys really packed this stuff. All right, we're getting serious here. There's staples in the end of this. I gotta get them out. I think that they purposely packed this because they know that we're gonna be doing a box unboxing. Here we go. All right. Whoop, knocked my curtain rod off. That's okay. It just sits up in there. And we will fix him later. Oh, come on. Just got to give you guys something to laugh at. A little short guy trying to get his curtain up. All right, anyway. Here we go. You ready, guys? What do we got? Whoa. What is this? It looks like it's a round bar, grinding bar. All right. Zip tie's got to come off. That is definitely a round bar. Nice. Oh, these kids are going to love this. And it's adjustable too. All right. Sit you right there. Get this out. So you guys get to see me mess up my own curtain rod. That was hilarious. I was not expecting that. You guys, I hope you guys got a good laugh out of that. I wasn't trying to do that on purpose. I promise. All right. So one of the things I like about Keen Ramps, they use locking pins on their stuff for the adjustable stuff. So I'll show you here in a second. Let me get it out. So I've seen a lot of bars, adjustable bars, they just have bolts in them or whatever. These guys actually use keeper pins, which is kind of nice. It's got a lock in the middle right here, and it's got a recessed ball with spring inside there, so it just pops in and out. There's really no fuss getting in or out. So that's what we got today. We got Keen Ramps. We still got a couple more packages coming, but there's 6 foot. Looks like a 3-inch round. As always, stay friendly, love each other, and get out there and skate. And hopefully we'll see you guys on August 15th when we get to use and put all this stuff to work, and we get to donate it. That's the best part. We get to donate it back to the organization and the facility that's going to have our launch party. So that's a huge, huge win for everybody. As always, stay friendly, love each other. We'll see you August 15th.